think it's going to be... They never taught us, so I had to learn on my own, okay? Inside the pot, let it... If you guys are here for the first time, my name is Ro. I'm a pre-viz, post-viz animator working in the animation industry. Some of the things that I've worked on are movies, TV shows, VR rides, video games, commercials, and many more. So if you guys are interested in hearing about some of the content that I've worked on, make sure you guys comment below if you guys got any questions about the movie industry. And yeah, I think that's all I got. So let's get into this video. Just finished. I was technically, okay, I was done with work already, but I spent the next 2 hours just trying to figure out something because I wanted to add to my shot. And I think it's going to be dynamic. That's what we're going to call it. It's going to be dynamic to the shot. I'm excited to see what my soup is going to say. It's extreme. It's extreme. I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it. I'm going to see he's going to be like,
yo, tone it down. Tone it down.
I'm like,
nah, bruh. This is how it is. This is how it is.
Yeah, I'm excited about that. But yeah, I just spent the last 2 hours kind of, you know, doing that. Now it's time to, you know, spend time with my wife and family. Yeah, I think that's all I got, guys. So I woke up to pretty much this awesome breakfast that my wife cooked for me. It looks delicious, not gonna lie. Breakfast, bacon, eggs, oranges, all the good stuff. All the good stuff, yeah. So shout out to my wife. Thank you for, you know, thank you for the awesome and delicious breakfast. But I also am a little bit late for work. It's fine. I think it's all good. It's no big deal. A few things going on today. Let's see. Gotta make lunch, laundry, and then I gotta do some animation later on tonight. Yeah. Come with me, guys, through this journey, and let's see how it goes.
2 hours later.
Back at it again. Just about to take my lunch break right now. Yo, I was talking about all the animation and stuff that I did last night. It's extreme. It's extreme. I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it. I'm gonna see you gonna be like, they ain't even show it. I was like, what? They showed the wrong one. Disappointed. Not really. Don't really care. At the end of the day, it's like you gotta detach yourself away from the animation. You can't think that your animation is gonna be the one that is, you know, going to make the movie or make the show or make the TV or whatever. It'd be just like a cool shot, pretty much. So I just wanted to kind of like let you guys know about that. But right now what we're about to do, babe? Meal prep. Right now, since I'm on lunch, I got an hour, so I'm gonna jump into this thing right now. Also, I got to do clothes, so let me get into that right now. If you guys are not familiar, so LA, they don't really have like laundry on site inside their apartments all the time. Some do, some don't. But in our case, we are actually not in an apartment. Thank God. Thank the Lord we're not in an apartment, because I hate apartments. Because I just don't like too many people, and they be too close, and they be like, no, too many people, too close. So in this case, we are actually inside of a back house. What a back house is, it's like their home, then it's grass, and then that's their home. So that's how it is in our apartment. Like I was saying, laundry doesn't necessarily come with each apartment. So in our case, we had to get our portable laundry washer, then rinser, and then we just hand dry it and put it on the rack. This is like one of the racks we got. You know, just put our clothes on the rack, kind of go from there, and then you know, we just let it air dry. That's kind of what I gotta do, what I got going. I'll show you guys the lunch and meal prepping situation. All right, welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Ro. Today we are making blackened fish. Pretty much we clean the fish first and we dry it off with some napkins, and then we add the different seasonings that we need. For blackened fish, it's smoked paprika and a whole bunch of other things. So look up the recipe and let me know what y'all think. We like it, we love it, so I hope you guys do too. All right, y'all, just finished cooking and everything. Wife finished cooking. Well, we cooked some fish. Got some fish right there. Some blackened fish. It's gonna be good. And then this is what I got for lunch. So I'm about to eat this, get back to work, and I will see you guys. Oh shoot, I still gotta do the close. Just finished work for the day. Hey, I'm actually out of work on time today. What time is it? 7:08. Yeah, what? I'll show you guys some animation. Alright, so this is some personal animation that I'm working on. You know what? If y'all didn't know, it is difficult to try to work and do animation when you have a child. It's almost impossible, so I'm not gonna make no promises. Will this get done? I don't know. Let's see. Alright, y'all. We're about to make paella. Meal prep. Paella. The Smith version. We're not doing anything really creative actually towards the Hispanic community. Oh yeah, it is Filipino. I thought it was Latino. Oh, it's both?
Yeah, so it's from Spain, but they got it from Spain.
Oh, okay.
They put their own spin.
Okay, yeah, I didn't know. So we're gonna put our own spin to it because it's actually similar to dirty rice. So dirty rice, y'all think is like, ugh, that's dirty. No, it ain't literal dirty rice. It's a Creole Louisiana dish that my mom, auntie, and all of them know how to cook. They never taught us, so I had to learn on my own, okay? So me and my wife, we started to learn how to cook dirty rice, and it's pretty much rice, meat, vegetables, all in one pot. Yeah, so we're gonna do this paella. I'll show you what the ingredients is real quick. Tomatoes, cream of chicken soup, onions over here. Then we're gonna have this guy that we know, he put some peas in it, and it was actually pretty good. Also over here, we got kielbasa right there, the chicken right here. So yeah, we're gonna put all that together, y'all, into a pot, or actually 2 pots. Baby girl, you okay? Let me show you Zuzu real quick. Clearly I'm in daddy daycare mode with Zuzu right here. My little Zuzu, what's that? Let me pick that. My little Zuzu. Yeah, I'll show you guys the final result after we're done. Oh yeah, we got some shrimp too. We got some shrimp over there. So we're gonna put everything together, get the seasonings all together and put it inside the pot, let it for a long time. And then we're gonna add the rice. And then, you know, we done. Alright, so we got the paella cooking right now. Let's take a look real quick. Ooh. Well, yeah. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, here is the final results of the paella. Thank you for watching the day in the life of a movie animator. If you guys got any comments or questions or anything concerning the industry, make sure you guys comment below. I guess that's all I got. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video.